All right, got the stopwatch out.
Ready, set.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another beautiful day here in Arizona. It should be about 105 degrees right now, but instead it's like 75 degrees. So it's a pristine day. So we are filming a great video for you all. Christian, we got some RX-8 content for him. Is that what's up? Yeah. No, not a Rolls Royce video. I know last video we revealed that car. You guys actually loved it just as much as we did. And it's currently on a shipping truck, gonna be here in a few days. Yes, I can't wait to see it because this car was mostly my doing, so I'm really on the hook for this one. Hope it turns out well, and hopefully I catch it before we head up to Montana, up north, to film some more awesome content for you all. Yes. Okay, RX8 tune-up, you could say. We are down some power. Last video, anything over 6,000 RPM, so it was falling flat on its face. And a lot of people were saying it could be plugs, coils. Is that the plan? Yeah, so the whole ignition system on this car is very, very important. And so we need it in tip-top shape. Most people swear by OEM, but it's actually kind of expensive on this car. We bought all of these items on a budget, and so we bought aftermarket, you know, plugs, coils, wires. So we're all in about $200 into this tune-up. So it should be an easy install. Let's go knock it out, and hopefully we get that full power back to have a good example of an RX-8 and what it can do. By the way, thanks to Omaze for sponsoring this video. More on them later.
Okay, and just like that, we made it to the JR hangar. Yes, more to come. We still have to like fully reveal this place, but anywho, here's the RX-8. Christian's already got the jumper pack out because it's dead. Comment below if you know how to get the keys out of the ignition. It must think that we're like trying to steal the car, so it won't let them come out. Okay, there we go, we got life. Okay, ready? I mean, it's been a couple weeks, but hopefully it starts up.
By the way, big thanks to Omaze for sponsoring today's video. More on them later.
One. Yes, sir. Look at that. Boom.
Starting right up.
I mean, that's a good sign, but our coils and plugs could be on their way out, you know?
It's interesting though, it starts right up though, so it seems like the ignition system's pretty good, but it maybe just can't perform up at that crazy RPM.
Yeah, regardless, they're good to do anyway, because you don't know how many miles are on them.
Some people were mentioning a clogged cat though. Could that be the problem?
If this problem still persists after we redo the whole ignition system, it's most likely either that the engine's on its way out, that would suck. We would know via a compression test. Otherwise, it could be a clogged catalytic converter, which is a very common problem on these cars. But if it is that, that's no problem, because guess what happens when you straight pipe this car? Bye-bye kitties. Boy, this hanger makes it nice backing out because you can't hit any door because the door is like 100 feet long. It's hard to have anything go wrong when you're backing out. But I'm gonna stop right here for a second. You wanna show 'em?
Nice looking body.
Woohoo!
Look at that.
No more damage. Oh, we had like a hole down there.
Good as new. And that's right, this door is actually new to us off of a donor car, and so no repairs were necessary. Just had to carry over the window and all the trim pieces, of course.
How much was it? Wasn't it like
that's
50
great.
bucks?
Yeah, it was 50 bucks right here in Phoenix.
Bucks.
Zero shipping.
There was just a little damage here and here. I mean, it wasn't the end of the world. So now we have a great body car. Radio works good. Really nice Bose system, I'm surprised. Okay guys, while Christian's setting up the RX-8 over there, I wanna give a quick shout out and special thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Omaze. Omaze is giving you the chance to win a very special 1974 BMW 2002 and $20,000 cash. And on top of that, the taxes and shipping are included. All of this while supporting a great cause. Every donation supports the Peterson Automotive Museum. And if you guys haven't been there, it is one of the coolest spots in Los Angeles. It is like car guy heaven. Your generosity will help the museum achieve their goal of educating more than 25,000 children this year. This car actually has a special place in my heart because my cousin's great grandpa, Giovanni Michelotti, had a huge part in designing this car. So it truly is an incredible car, and the fact that it's been restored and turbocharged by the racing legends themselves, Bobby and Graham Rahal, makes it even more special. To potentially win this unique BMW and the $20,000 cash while supporting the Peterson Automotive Museum, all you guys need to do is go down to the description, hit that link, omaze.com/JRgarage. Once again, that is www.omaze.com/JRgarage. Huge thanks to Omaze once again for making this video possible and supporting the channel. They've been an ongoing channel sponsor and it is much appreciated. So without further ado, let's get into this RX-8. Okay, approaching the halfway point. Christian got the spark plug out. How's it look?
Not new, and kind of telling like two different stories, I think, being both black and that like tan color.
So yeah, it's got like a dark black up top. I don't know. Yeah, look at that, bright and shiny. So hopefully that is the cause of our problem at 8,000 RPMs. We'll see. Time to throw the new ones in. It's looking good. I got everything up here cleaned out. Got the new filter in. Everything's cleaned up. Got all the rocks and pebbles and sticks out of there. So we are looking good. No other red flags. Let's get it. Hopefully we'll have time for a first try before it gets dark. Otherwise we'll do it tomorrow morning.
Alrighty, out comes old ignition coil. In goes the new one.
My compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer to where I belong. Still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing.
All right, and just like that, we are done. Well, I'll say Christian is done, but I do feel accomplished. I put on the window wipers and I did the cabin air filters, so I did contribute, but of course, it is dark outside now. So we are gonna do the first drive tomorrow, and fingers crossed, it fixes our power issue and it runs just a little bit better. That would be nice, right, Christian? Are you confident?
I think so. I got all the wires back on the right ones. I just did it one by one, so we shouldn't have any crazy weird failure tomorrow morning when we go for a test drive.
Okay, he thinks he did it right, so I'm confident in his ability. I think we'll be all right, but it'll be proven in a whopping 10 seconds. SpongeBob, take it away. Fast forward to tomorrow morning.
The next morning.
Alrighty, good morning guys. Day 2, we got the RX-8 here. We're gonna go for a first startup and hope that Christian did everything right. And of course we didn't put it on the charger last night, so it died again. But here we go once he hooks it up. And guys, comment down below, is this the factory key or not? Aren't you supposed to have like a little credit card thing? All right, good enough. Okay, fire in the hole in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I mean, maybe slightly quicker. That idle feels better. Before it dropped down to like 1,000 or 1,500 pretty quick, I feel like, yet now it's at 2K without me putting on any gas. I don't know, that's a little different. Let's go ahead and take it for a first drive. That's what matters. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are
At one of our favorite spots.
in Mexico, do some testing. And the adaptive red line has revealed the full 8,000, whatever, 500 RPM red line.
This car has it too, like the M3, that's cool.
Yeah, it is a pretty cool feature. It's feeling better. We haven't gone above 4,000 RPMs, but it just feels like it's got a little more something in it. And this car handles so well.
Yeah, I think this tune-up, man, it just makes everything better. Handles better, sounds better.
We'll see. We've never really pushed this thing around the corners. That sound. It's like a big go-kart. Man, they're not kidding about this car being one of the best handling cars out there. Alright. We'll know real quick. If it doesn't pull all the way to red line, I think it's a clogged cap. But regardless, the maintenance that we did is good to do anyway on these cars.
Okay, not our cheaper components.
Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. No!
You don't think so?
You're in the passenger seat. Anything feels fast over there. It hesitated a little bit. We'll try first gear.
We time it, get a little 0 to 60. All right, got the stopwatch out, and this will be a unbiased and
This is going to be atrocious.
objective. Alrighty.
Once we start rolling, hit it.
All right.
Okay, I'll just get a little RPM going. Ready, set. Okay, good launch. Let's see.
Tell me when we're there.
It's just, it won't pull past 7.
It's like 11 and a half, 12 seconds.
That wasn't even 60. Yeah, no. No, that ain't it, Chief. Okay. I vote clogged cat.
I'm happy with that diagnosis.
It's much better than saying maybe we need to do an engine check. Yeah, low RPMs, it feels great.
but just right when you start pulling.
Okay, so Cat, when it really needs that air going through there.
One thing they say that could indicate your engine being on its last leg and needing a rebuild is they say the hot starts are extremely difficult. And we noticed, we did a hot start, you know, last time we drove it.
Yeah, it was all right, right?
It was fine. We'll do it again.
Okay.
Just to be sure. I mean, low RPMs, it feels great.
Yeah, and I mean, there you need just as much compression as you do at the higher RPMs, so
I feel like it would kind of run like crap, yeah.
Yeah, I'm leaning toward Club Cat.
It could be. I mean, we're talking a decent amount of miles on those catalytic converters, and all my oil that I dumped into it for pre-mixing, it's not the best thing to do for the Cat. We'll find out next video when we straight pipe it, but I think that could be the problem. Comment down below if you know.
Wait. Two bonuses in one video, getting a better running car and a better sounding car. I cannot wait because this car needs to sound better. It sounds so unique and cool, but it's got to be louder because you can't hear it.
Yes, you guys crushed the first video likewise, so I think we have to do it regardless. But while we're doing it, we may have to go with a little something delete pipe so that we don't have this issue anymore if it is the clogged, almost stalled it. If it is the clogged Cat.
Power.
Okay, let's try a hot start. So we'll turn it off.
Good.
It like wouldn't want to start if it needs an engine rebuild. So ready?
Awesome. With ease. All right, that's good.
Clog Cat, hopefully. All right.
Thank you.
All right, so there you guys have it. The quick little RX8 tune up and also the new perfect looking body. No more damage. We still got to put the side skirt on, but that'll be easy. So things are looking good for the RX8 in this video. And guys, remember, free car giveaway number 3 is coming up in less than a month. So if you want to win a car, one of our cars, 100% for free, go ahead and follow that page. I know a lot of you probably are already. That is much appreciated. You guys are ready to go for when this next giveaway drops. I posted a picture on Instagram and I gave you guys like 6 different options. I mean, I threw one of the V12 Mercedes in there, the S8, the Corvette, the RX8, the 944, and I just said, like, what do you guys think? A lot of people said the RX8, a lot of people said the C5 Corvette. What about this? We're thinking that we will give the winner the choice between the RX8 and the C5 Corvette. Do you think that's a good idea? And yes, if we do give this away, before we give it away, we'll do something with the exhaust like we've been promising to make this thing scream even more. Comment down below what you guys think about that, and follow the Instagram page if you're not already to stay up to date on these cars and the giveaways, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future content, and drop some likes on this video. More likes, the louder we're gonna make it when we straight pipe this car next video. So thank you, Omaze, once again for making this video possible and supporting the channel. We have to run off to the airport really quick. We have a flight, or Christian has a flight in like 30 minutes, so he's already packing his bags and I gotta go pick him up in the Viper. You know, why not? It's a nice day, let's take a nice car. Fire in the hole. Oh yeah. I like that a lot. All right guys, thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one. Take care.
Saying that it feels right.